Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Power BI tutorial series. Today we're focusing on a fantastic feature, Add Table Using Example. This tool makes web scraping or web data extraction super easy, even if you're not familiar with HTML code. Let's get started! Welcome to MadeEasy. My name is Jane. With our dedicated MadeEasy team, we're here to simplify software learning. Dive into our comprehensive video tutorials for a smooth learning experience. If you've ever thought web scraping was complicated, Power BI is here to change that perception. If you're not sure how to import data from the web into Power BI, check out our previous video on that topic. Today, we'll focus on a feature known as Add Table Using Examples. For this example, we're again going to use the List of FIFA World Cup Finals page on Wikipedia. Assuming that you are already imported this to Navigator window. In the Navigator window, you'll see various tables Power BI has detected. Sometimes these tables might not have the exact data we need. In this example, I want a table showing the winner of World Cup and in which country the final happens, but none of the individual tables showing that details. This is where the Add Table Using Example feature comes in handy. Click on Add Table Using Example on the left side of the Navigator window. This window is split into two parts. The top part shows the web page, and the bottom part is where we'll create our table by providing examples. This feature is incredibly helpful for extracting data from websites that aren't structured in neat HTML tables. It simplifies the process, making it accessible for anyone to use. So, whether you're gathering data for analysis or just exploring Power BI's capabilities, the Add Table Using Example feature makes web scraping straightforward and efficient. Let's start by extracting the year. I am going to change name column 1 to year. Now, in the first row of first column, type the year of first World Cup, that is 1930. Power BI will suggest possible matches from the page. From the list, select the correct one. Do this for a few more rows. In second row, I am going to put 1934. As you continue, you'll notice that Power BI automatically fills in the rest of the column with the correct data. Now let's add a new column for winner. Click on the plus sign to insert new column, and start typing the winners as they appear on the web page. Here, price of first winner is Uruguay. I am going to enter that first row of second column. Again, Power BI will recognize the pattern and populate the rest. Unfortunately, here Power BI didn't recognize West Germany. You can see here the winner column is blank for 1954, 1974, and 1990. I am going to enter this manually. Okay, here Power BI detect it and automatically fill for 1974 and 1990. I am going to add another column named Final Location. Here in the Wikipedia page, you can see they have city name and country. But I don't need city name, I only need country. So I am going to fill country name in this third column. Add details for few rows and let Power BI do the rest. And there you have it. A fully populated table with the year, winner, and location of final, all scraped directly from the web page. Click OK to confirm your table. Now our custom table is ready and loaded into Power BI. From here, you can transform the data further or start creating visualizations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. See you next time!